Other last video we already see about the start to seal, seal and seal to end modes in the retime function. There is still has another mode for the retime, but I will not talking that in this video. What I will talking about is the time adjust for start time and end time. That is the second parameter of the retime function, which is adjust the start time, and for the third parameter is the end time adjustment. And what I mean of the adjustment, this is just the quick slideshow, maybe because I'm lazy to create slideshow. Example, or not example, I mean the value of start adjustment and end adjust, if you not specify that will be 0. So for example, if that is 0 value and will create either start time or end time in 9 seconds, so the result will be 9 seconds. And if you specify that in positive value, the duration will be shift forward, so from 9 to 10. And that is the opposite way. If you specified a negative value for the time adjustment, that will shift backward. So like from 1 second, if the default value is 0, it will become 0.5 second or 500 millisecond. And if I apply this with the default value of the start and end adjust, you can see for the first syllable of the start to seal, that never appear if you use the 0 value or the default value, because the start time of this syllable is the same with the start time of the line. So in the start to seal, the the duration will be 0. That is the same thing for the seal to end, because the end time of the line is just the same, same as the end time of the last syllable. So from last syllable, end time, and last syllable, line is same. So you will get the 0 duration. And now I will create new variable, which is the name is lead_dur, and the value is 5000. This is in millisecond, and I will use this variable in the start adjust time of the start to seal, and I will shift that backward, so the line will appear more quickly. So if you can so you can see, if I apply that template, and you can see the line of the start to seal appear more quickly. Yeah. So if I use the end adjust in the seal to end with the lead duration, the line created by this template seal will disappear lightly, maybe, or I mean the time will be longer. And just to add more effect, I will create fade out for the seal to end. That duration for fade out is the lead duration, and not has fade in, fade in, fade or fade, yeah, fade in. And in the start to seal, I will create fade in but not fade out. So I will make the first parameter of the fade is the lead duration and 0 for the second. And in the seal mode in here, I will add new transformation from the 0. Just to remember, for retime with seal mode, the start time is the start of the syllable, start time of syllable. So what I mean is, if you use seal modifier, I mean seal mode for retime, you don't need to use the start. This will make the result unexpected. Use 0 because the 0 is the first duration of the first line of the syllable. And from 0 to the middle of the duration, and I will scale the X and Y, and from the middle to the end is to the syllable duration. I will make the font scale back to 100. So if I save this and apply, and you can see now, if I play that frame by frame, maybe you can see at the top that has fade in, and when the syllable, I mean mod seal, the font will scale up and scale down. And yeah, and at the end, when the line will already at the last syllable, it will disappear. So you can see that effect. So it will make more clearly if I use the position of the Y position in the middle for all mode. So if I apply, and you can see now the effect. And this is just the tips if you use the seal in here, because the seal mode is the highlighted. So you can see when they scale the low word in the front of the hair, this is just not what you want, and I mean not what I want. So when you use the retime function, just increase the layer, so it will make the effect just like the expected way. I mean the highlighted or the scaling font will appear in the front of the next syllable. So that is the time I use in the retime function for start and end time.